Hello students, today I am taking lecture on the subject Advanced Accounting Second, particularly for BCom third year 6th semester students who are learning from Swami Ramananda Tirth, Marathwada University, Nanded. Under this subject, I am going to take topic number third, Packages Accounting. In this topic, I am taking one numerical question with answer. Question number one. This question has asked in the examination October-November 2019. The question is, the ABC Oils Limited sells oils in barrels which are charged at rupees 50 each. Customer Customers returning barrel within a month are credited with rupees 45 each. The following particulars are relating to 2018. The first year of company, first year of the company's business, particular number of barrels number one, barrels purchased at rupees 30 each, amount rupees 2500, sorry, number of barrels 2500. Second, barrels sent out to customers, number of barrels 2000. Barrels sent out to customers, number of barrels 2000. In that memorandum of debtors account at the rate rupees 45 each, and one effect trading account credit side at the rate rupees 5 each. That is the difference, that is rental amount. Number 3, barrels returning by barrels returned by customer Number of barrels 1250. Barrels sent to the customer at the rate rupees 45, hence return also at the rate rupees 45. Debtors account credit side. Number 4, barrels with company on 31st December 2018. Number of barrels 1750. That is the closing balance of company. Company should be maintain record at cost price in stock account. Hence, stock price cost price is rupees 30 given in first transaction. Barrels purchase at rupees 30 each. Number 5, barrels with the customer on 31st December 2018. Number of barrels 2000. Closing balance any shows to the stock account. Hence, one effect stock account credit side. Another effect closing balance of customer. Customer means debtors. Hence, another effect is goes to the debtors account. Debtors account recorded as per 45 rupees and stock account credit side recorded as per rate rupees 30. In bracket, given period is not expired. Show the necessary accounts in the books of the company. Solution: in the books of ABC Oils Limited, memorandum, debtors account, debit side, particular, numbers, date, rupees. Same to the credit side. Next account, barrel stock account. This is always recorded at cost price. Third account, barrels trading account. Now I am solving solution one by one. Barrels purchased at rupees 30 each. Barrels means this is the our stock. Hence here is our separate. I have prepared here barrel stock account. When purchase, it means stock increase. Hence effect goes to the debit side of the barrels stock account to purchases. Number of barrels 2500 at the rate rupees 30. 30 is the cost price. Amount 2500 into 30. Total amount to be 75,000. Next part of the question. Barrels sent out to customer. Customer means our debtors. Hence effect goes to the memorandum debtors account debit side to barrel sent. Number of barrels 2000 at the rate rupees 45. 2000 into 45, amount rupees 90,000. In that question mention first line, customer return barrel within a month are credited with rupees 45 each. Hence amount here taken 45. Remaining rupees 5 is the rental charges. Hence effect goes to the barrels trading account credit side by debtors account. Rupees in bracket rental charges 2000 into 5, amount rupees 10,000. The next part of the question, barrels returned by customer. Whenever stock increase of debtors recorded to the debit side, whenever stock decrease of debtors recorded to the credit side. Barrels return means stock decrease in customers, decrease of customer. Hence, if it goes to the memorandum debtors account credit side by barrels return. Number of barrels 1250. Selling price 25. number of barrels into rate 25, amount 30, 45 rate, sorry, amount 56,250. Next, barrels with company on 31st December 2018, 1,750. Company's account is stock account, means credit side of the barrel stock account by closing balance first in hand 1,750 at the rate 30, 52,500. 30 is the cost price. Stock account always created with cost price. Next, barrels with customers on 31st December 2018 at the rate 2,000. Another closing stock of barrels with customer 200 into 30, around 6,000. Another effect, memorandum debtors account credit side by closing balance 200 into 45 selling price, amount 200 into 45, 9,000. Then close first memorandum debtors account, debit side number of barrels 2,000, amount rupees 90,000. Credit side total number of barrels 1,450. Total amount rupees 65,250. But the difference of credit side recorded as sales. Barrel sales in the sense of retained. If customer has hold it retained, it means sale. I can write here sold. The difference is debit side total amount minus credit side total amount 550. Hence 550 is the numbers difference at the rate rupees same rate 45, 550 into 45, 24,750. Now both sides are equally tallied. Barrels retain means sale. Another effect goes to the credit side of the trading account. 5 debtors account. Number of barrels same sold 550 at the rate rupees 45, same amount 24,750. And stock account should be credited by barrels trading account. Number of barrels sold 550 at the rate rupees 30, because of stock account always created with cost price 550. Barrels trading 550 into 30, that is 16,500. Now close barrel stock account. Debit side numbers 2,500. Debit side total amount rupees 75,000. Credit side numbers total 2,500. Credit side total, there is a total amount rupees to be 75,000. Barrel trading is also shown as a cost of goods sold. Then close barrels trading account. Sorry, second effect has also remained. By barrels trading account 550, rate 30 rupees 16,500. Second effect, barrels trading account debit side 2 barrels stock account. Rate 50, rate 30, amount rupees 16,500. Because of stock account credit side recorded 550, 30, 16,500. Same effect, same amount goes to the barrels trading account debit side. Now close credit side total amount 34,750, numbers 550, debit side amount total 16,500, numbers 550. The difference is only in amount. There is no difference in numbers. Hence, credit side amount minus debit side amount. The difference is 18,250. 18,250 means there is the net profit. Net profit transfer to profit and loss account. In bracket, net profit both sides tallied. Very simple. Only this is important part, closing of the accounts, difference of the credit side, memorandum debtors account, that is called as sales or retained. Same numbers shows to the trading account credit side, same amount. Then stock account close, difference of the credit side shows as sales 550 at the rate 30 16,500. Same effect taken debit side, balance trading account debit side to balance stock account 550 at the rate 30 amount 16,500. This is the first problem, hence maybe difficulty creates to the students, but there is no major difficulties. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me WhatsApp number. Thank you.